It is my honor to begin with our first guest, the one and the only Elizabeth Cady Stanton. So, Miss Stanton, if you would be so kind.
Oh, hello. How are you all today? Yes, I am indeed Elizabeth Cady Stanton, and my friends call me Lizzie. I was born, raised, and very well educated in upstate New York. When I was about 4 years old, my mother gave birth to a new child, a sister, a daughter. Now, as my parents only had one son and several daughters already, I remember the grown-ups standing about the cradle, looking down at the baby and saying, "Oh, what a pity, she is a girl." Then when I was 11, my older brother Eliezer died. And I remember so well my father, Judge Daniel Cady, in his mourning, he said to me, "Oh, daughter, I wish you were a boy." And I know my parents loved me and my sisters, but they were keenly aware that the opportunities for girls were unequal to what was available to boys in my day. Now, that same Christmas, I received a lovely coral necklace, and upon showing it to one of the young men of my acquaintance, he said, "Oh, Lizzie, if we marry, that shall be mine." I was still young and not fully understanding about how laws worked, but I knew that the laws pertaining to women could be found in my father's law library, in his many books, and that those laws were unfair. I resolved to seize the first opportunity when alone in his office to cut every offensive law pertaining to women out of his books. Yes, literally cut them out. Fortunately for my father's library, my plot was discovered, and before I could achieve my plan, my father explained to 11-year-old me how laws are made, and that even if his own library should burn to the ground, it would make no difference in the woman's condition. He gave me hope, though. He said, "Lizzie, when you are grown up and able to prepare a speech, you must go down to Albany and talk to the legislators. If you can persuade them to pass new laws, the old ones will be a dead letter." Now, those early experiences and my willful nature caused me never to accept this status quo for American women. And just as my father suggested, I would grow up tirelessly working to secure for my sex our rights as American citizens.